Hi everybody, welcome to the KK Lifestyle. Today I am showing you how to achieve this makeup look right here, which is a spring daytime makeup look that I used all pink themed products. I did a poll on my Instagram to see if you guys wanted to see a more dramatic pink look or if you wanted to see more of a clean daytime spring look, and you guys actually voted for just the natural clean daytime look. So that's what we're doing today. I am so excited to share this with you guys, so let's jump right in. So I went ahead and jump started this routine today. Went ahead and did my foundation, my concealer, powder, contour, and brows. So we are only focusing on the pink products today. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the face. So I'm gonna start with my Cheek to Chic Charlotte Tilbury blush. This is the color Ecstasy. This is a really light pink. Which is really good for springtime because we don't have quite our tan built up yet. So I'm just brushing that on the apples of the cheeks and sweeping upwards. You guys have really been asking me about brushes on the last couple of tutorials, so I am going to link these today. This is the Real Techniques blush brush. Okay, and then on to my highlighter. This is the Morphe Deysi Danger highlighter. It's a collab and it has a pink hue. It's one of my favorites. Was a little scared of it at the first purchase, first time I used it, but I love it. It gives my skin a really good glow. And these pink tones are really awesome if you have fair skin, just to kind of give you some color without it being too overwhelming, if that makes sense. Okay, now we are gonna go in. This is the palette I'm gonna use today, the Naked 3. I'm gonna use one more eye product, but this is the Naked 3 by Urban Decay. I will show it to you. It is all pink tones there. Kind of mauvey pinks, purpley pinks, gray pinks, gold pinks. It's got all the pinks. So let's see, the names are on here just to make sure I can see them. So the first one that I'm going to go in with, I always start with Limit. It is a really pale pink. You can almost not even see it on my skin, but it's good for transition. So I'm kind of putting that almost all over the lid, but going up pretty high with it because, like I said, this is our transition color and just kind of our base color. You always want something really light, complementary to skin tone, whether that be like a beige color or something. That's your transition color. That's just going to help you blend the whole look. All right, so the next one I want to go in with is Nooner. Love this color. It's one of my favorites. It's right in the middle. This is a matte shade. Limit was also a matte shade, just to get us started. And I'm going to keep that a little lower than I did the first color. And this color is a perfect color to build depth. This is a MAC 217 blending brush. My favorite blending brush. You can see this is a pink without being overly pink. It's kind of a mauve pink. And I'm just blending quite a bit. All right, and then next one is Mugshot. This one is a little bit shimmery. And it's on the darker gray pink side. So I'm gonna keep that pretty low, just in the outer corner. Just kind of smoke that out as far as you want it to go. Perfect. And then I'm also going to go in with Dark Side right there. I know that's pretty dark, but this is a pretty light look so far, so I kind of want to take it up a notch. Even though it's still daytime, I am super fair, so it's like a fine line. If you go too dark, then you're looking raccoonish, but if you go too light as well, it's almost like making you look even paler. I don't want to say sick, that's a strong word, but just like you didn't really do much. Kind of need a little more help. See, that just added a little something extra. All right, so now I'm gonna go and take my finger and I'm gonna go in with this color right here. This is a shimmer color and it's called Buzz. This is a really pretty shimmery pink. Easy peasy. All right, now I'm gonna take this flat brush. Can't remember what this one is called. And it's worn off, but it is a MAC brush. It's just kind of a flat, it might actually be a concealer brush, but I really like it for under the eye. So I'm gonna go in with Nooner on the under eye, right on the lash line. I really urge you guys not to be scared to do this, especially if you don't like pencil liner on the under eye. You may like shadow. It's not as harsh, but it still pulls the look together and it gives your eye a really beautiful shape. Then we go in with Dark Side, but I'm gonna stay just on the outer area, on the underneath again. Okay. And, oh, we need to do a highlight. So I'm gonna use the same brush, the color Strange, the very first one. Go underneath my brow bone. And in the inner corner. I love this palette. It's a good one. It's a good one to have. All the Naked palettes are really good, but I would say that one is my favorite. Okay, so you could stop here. This is a really pretty daytime, fresh spring look. Some people may even love this for date night. Just a really, like I said, clean look with your eyeshadow. Gives a really pretty feminine vibe. You can stop here and go ahead and do your liner and mascara, but I do want to show you guys this little gem that I have in my collection, and it is so unique. These are the Stila, I never can remember, Glitter and Glow eyeshadow. I used this for my sister's wedding on my eyes, and it is so pretty. It's called Rockin Rose, so it's kind of a rose gold. Sometimes when you look at it, you're like, that's totally gold, and then you see a hue of pink. So I'm going to show you guys how this works if you want to take this to a little bit more of a dramatic level, and not do just the basic Naked palette look. So all you have to do is paint it right on with the applicator. I have used this almost to the bottom. I'm kind of having to scrape, but it just gives, it's not too much, it's not overly glittery, it's almost more of just a sheen, which I actually like for daytime looks, but when the sun hits it, it is so pretty. Okay, so there we have the Glitter Glow addition to this look, and I personally do think it takes it up a notch. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara. I'm using my regulars that I normally use, which is the Infallible liner and the Milani Highly Rated mascara. Eyes are complete. Now I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm just using a balm today by Clinique. This is in the color number 13, Mighty Mimosa. It is just a little chubby stick lip balm, and it's a really pretty color. My lips are actually really chapped, so that feels really good. So there you go. We are complete. This is a very easy makeup look. This is a quick video, but you guys wanted to see just a very easy spring makeup tutorial, and I got my pink airy barrettes in today for this and my spring top. So if you missed yesterday, I showed you guys my spring athletic wear that was all pink themed as well, and tomorrow on Instagram you can check out my Friday favorites, which is all going to be pink themed too. So basically it's pink week and it's fun, so jump on board. Thank you guys, hope you have a great day. Bye.